Hello, greetings. This is Gilles Mention. I thought I'd come and say hello. Wish you a wonderful day. We're getting ready for this huge portal of energy. The equinox will be able to gain new sense of self, new memories, new access to the cosmic mind. This is quite a wonderful time. So let us be ready to do that. The painting behind me is called Cosmic Event. I've been wondering about this painting, whether it is finished or not. If you have any opinion about that, if you think this, I think it kind of holds. I've been trying to figure out if anything else was needed. Symbolically, it is the great Andromeda galaxy that is meeting the Milky Way galaxy, and that creates when the two aura of the two galaxies touch, it creates this great cosmic event. And so it is all a part of this. It is pretty dynamic painting. Hopefully, I think it's pretty finished from 2009, so it took me a very long time. Behind me, it's a transition painting. It took me quite a couple of years to get it to that, and then it took me about 2 or 3 years just to integrate the signature on the upper left, because it was very, very delicate. Sometimes they take a very long time. And this other painting is an astrological self-portrait. I'm going to pull a few cards to see what the highest wisdom for us today is. Destiny is to be able to move into to allow our destiny to flow, to manifest, to become, our destiny is the reason why we came to integrate, to incarnate here on the earth, is to experience this joy of freedom and bliss and creativity and abundance, and all of that is part of our destiny. What we need to understand is our master guide. For our master guide already holds the frequency we wish to achieve, and so it is an energy we have to work with and to tune in. If you tune in with your intention, you will be feeling energies. You may be able to communicate, receive messages, listen to, pay attention to all the messages that are coming to you. What you need to do is to create. It's about creation. It's about being creative. It's about allowing our imagination to. For we have to move by step sometimes, but in many sense we have to expand our creative function. And the outcome for us is the paradigm shift. It's complete shift of reality from separation into inclusion, from duality into unity, from fear into love, from doubt into certainties. And so as we move into this higher guidance, we can rely on certainties rather than possibilities. And so it makes it's far more enjoyable to be able to know that you are guided. So tune into your heart, listen to your heart, pay attention to your dreams and your visions, and trust you are part of the process. You are an essential part of that great puzzle of creation, and we are all ascending together with this Mother Earth, this great being that is supporting this whole program here, because she has to deal with all those things that are happening in the illusion as well, in the physical plane. So the past is the Knight of Gabriel, sure of himself, enthusiastic, courageous, charismatic. It is time to act. You are passionate. You are passionate for a cause. You know intuitively exactly what to do. So this security, this enthusiasm has been anchored within our past, and right now we are moving into the King of Gabriel, which is generous, source of inspiration, enthusiastic. Look at the situation in its totality and let others handle the details. Your experience leads to success. You are caring of others. So it is very much a card of wisdom, of power, of understanding, of sympathy, of being generous and enthusiastic to lead the shift. And what is coming in the future is quite amazing. It is the world. It is this beautiful, it's the Archangel Michael, the great Michael. We send our love to him, our greeting, for he's been protecting humanity. He's a good friend. You should consider all angel, archangel, ascended masters, all the natural gods, or even the creator of all as friends. For it is without this understanding of friendship, it's very essential to understand everybody's like part of this great. This great unfoldment, and the Archangel Michael is one of the most powerful benevolent force that have been working to liberate humanity. And see here he says a happy ending. The cycle is ended. spiritual fulfillment. So it is all happening. It is all part of what is going on with this great equinox. We'll feel a great sense of freedom and liberation. So it is all part of the process. I'm going to pull out one card from the Akash, and here we have Greco-Roman. So whatever that means to you, whether memory it awakens you, but we have had many lives during this Greco-Roman time, but it's also connecting to all kinds of astrological forces. Understand that planets in astrology have embodied a certain energetical aspect of those great gods of mythology, as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, which is Poseidon, Kronos, Zeus, and Uranus, and so in many sense those beings are not sitting on their planet waiting to influence the other planet. They live on the higher planes. They just use those planets to influence the third dimension. And same thing, we can make develop friendly relationship with all those great planets through the consciousness of those mythological entities. It's a process. We have to develop our trust, our confidence, but as we call on the planet, sometimes they will respond. So be ready. All kinds of magical happening can happen, and all those things are contributing to elevating our frequency to higher level of light and love, and so that until we can move into the realm of the subtle planes, the more subtle planes, and this is really what is going on. We are being elevated each and every day. The sun, this great being that is the sun in the sky, is making us, is going to force the change in many senses. And a lot of things will be happening in the times to come. I'm going to finish with a song. It's a song about love, about traveling, about being given all that we need. It's a beautiful song from French song. It goes like this. It's about somebody who's in love, who wants to give all the whole universe to that beloved person. It goes like this. Je te donnerai tous les bateaux, tous les oiseaux, tous les soleils, toutes les roses, toutes les choses qui t'émerveillent, petite fille de ma rue. Tu n'as jamais vu tous les bateaux, tous les oiseaux, tous les soleils, l'île au trésor et les fruits d'or et les abeilles. Ne pleure pas, petite fille. Moi, je t'ai rêvé, tu es venu. Oh, mon enfant, mon inconnu, je t'ai trouvé dans cette rue. Je te donnerai tous les bateaux, tous les oiseaux, tous les soleils. Je t'apprendrai le bruit des villes, le nom des îles, petite fille de ma rue. Tu n'as jamais vu les goélands et les images de l'aurore, quand l'océan n'était encore qu'un paysage. Ne pleure pas, petite fille. Viens, il y a des voiles sur les étoiles. Oh, mon enfant, mon inconnu, il y a bas, loin de ta rue. Je te donnerai tous les bateaux, tous les oiseaux, tous les soleils, toutes les roses, toutes les choses qui t'émerveillent, petite fille de ma rue. Je te donnerai les océans, les goélands et les fruits d'or, l'île au trésor et les grands bals sur les étoiles. Ne pleure pas, oh mon amour. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Well, thank you very much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and let me know what you think about this painting behind me. I'm curious. I think it's kind of finished, but but it's still in the period of reflection. Until it's sold, it can be changed. Thank you very much. I wish you a good day. Namaste.